Morning. It's the 27th of February. It's 6:30 in the morning, and look, the sun's out. Spring's on its way. Birds are tweeting. I'm off up to Victoria this morning. Going to go have a look at a job that I haven't looked at in a little while. We've had Wayne, the project manager, on it, and Luke, who's been heading up the install. Let's see how it goes. Here we are. This is the job in Victoria. Office block that Wayne's looking after. Got Wayne with me just to my left. Let us know about the job, Wayne.
Okay, so this is an office building mainly, which is going to have a gym, restaurant, a cafe. We're using advanced Hachiki protocol here, and we're about 3 months off of the completion date, which is very exciting for us.
Let's go have a look.
Let it, bang, bang. Let it, bang, bang.